Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Meor Amirul. Today, our group will present about the data-driven fuzzy membership function generation. First of all, what is fuzzy? Fuzzy is referred to the things that is not clear, which is when we encounter the situation that we cannot determine whether the state is true or false. Therefore, fuzzy logic provides a very valuable flexibility for reasoning. In this way, we can encounter the inaccuracy and uncertainties of any situation. Fuzziness in fuzzy set is characterized by its membership function. Fuzzy logic use membership function in order to determine the uncertainties inherent to linguistic terms. Data-driven fuzzy modeling, which to find the significant members of field ranging in a variety way from the pattern recognition, data mining, classification, and non-linear system. There is many kind of method create the membership function needed in fuzzy inference system. For example, statistical approach, clustering approach, and optimization approach. Thus, our project will focus more on the optimization approach by using genetic algorithm. What is genetic algorithm? I will invite my members to explain more about the genetic algorithm.
Hi, my name is Faris Hannan and today I'm going to talk about genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm are an optimization technique used to solve nonlinear to non-differentiable optimization problem. This concept from evolutionary biology to search for a global minimum to an optimization problem. The name genetic algorithm comes from the fact that they are mimicking the evolutionary biology technique and works by starting with an initial generation against the objective functions. Then it generates subsequent generation of points from the first generation through things such as selection, crossover, and mutation. Genetic algorithm use binary problem, whereas the variables in the optimization problem can either take on a value of 1 or 0. And the selection means to retain the best performing parents from one generation to next. The best performing parents might be used for crossover and will select the most common similarities between the different variables and keep those the same to create children variable that will be in the next generation. In mutation, we take parent and mutate a certain variables to take on random values and we create a child based off the mutation. Mutation allow genetic algorithm to kind of avoid falling into local minima, and it really helps them to explore the solution space really well. Most researchers use genetic algorithm because it's quick to implement and it seems to work okay in practice. If only planning on optimizing a single problem a single time, then genetic algorithm is reasonable to use. However, if there is a multiple problem such as resolving as new information that to allow improving the simulation, then probably not the best choice. So basically, genetic algorithm search parallel from a population of point. Therefore, it has the ability to avoid being trapped in local optimal solution like traditional methods, which search from a single point.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Naufal bin Muhammad Saleh. I will explain more about the data-driven fuzzy membership methods. Okay. Optimization approach is a combined approach to a data-driven fuzzy rule-based modeling. The rules of an initial model are derived from data by means of a supervised clustering methods that to a certain degree ensure the transparency of the resulting rule base. This model is, however, suboptimal, and a real-coded genetic algorithm is proposed to optimize simultaneously both antecedent and the consequent variable. The genetic algorithm is subjected to constraints concerning the semantic properties of the rule base inherited from the initial model. Two modeling problems illustrate the power of the combined approach. The design of a fuzzy logic The design of a fuzzy controller suffers from choice problems of fuzzy input and output membership functions and rules inference system definition. Generally, such procedures are implemented by trial and error iterations which do not assure an optimal fuzzy controller design. Moreover, the fuzzy features of a control system depend by the specific application of fuzzy controller. There are several techniques reported in recent literature that use genetic algorithm to optimize a fuzzy logic controller. The fuzzy logic controller is tuned by genetic algorithms until it achieves application of fuzzy controller. There are several techniques reported in recent literature that use genetic algorithm to optimize a fuzzy logic controller. The fuzzy logic controller is tuned by genetic algorithms until it achieves the optimal parameters. The tuning design approach offers a complete and fast way to design an optimal fuzzy system. Moreover, the results show that the optimized fuzzy controller gives better performance than a conventional fuzzy controller, also in terms of rise and settling times.
Hello, my name is Haziq and I'm going to give a simulation on how to use GA for data-driven membership value assignment. You can see we are using a bit miner to explore the data and clean the data. After that, we subsample about 100 data from the dataset without bias. We then can use this data to apply GA. This 100 subsample data will be the initial population, and this data will undergo a process where they cross over with each other. Some of them will undergo mutation until the algorithm find the best optimal solution. This will help in assigning and mapping the value for our membership function.